In the commercial sphere, durability is the foundation of design.
Introducing BathSelect showers.
Simultaneous functionality without pressure drop. The ultimate luxury experience.
Real-time thermal monitoring, safety and comfort. Scale defines the space. Our recessed ceiling systems disappear into the architecture, leaving only the water. They disappear into it, leaving only the purity of the water. 5 functions, infinite atmospheres, controlled by a 6-handle thermostatic mixer, to the immersive embrace of the rain curtain. Managed by a high-capacity thermostatic mixer for zero temperature drift. Absolute safety through rigorous separation of water and power. Modern luxury with zero compromise. The heart of the system is a diamond-hard ceramic valve, built for the high-traffic demands of hospitality, maintaining a balanced output across all 5 functions, even under variable commercial pressure conditions. Designed for the developer, rapid installation, minimal downtime. Heavy-duty components. Precision alignment, built to last the life of the building. Commercial reliability, residential luxury. This is the new standard in water architecture.